How big is a challenger bank? Unveiling EQ Bank's reach. Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the past? High fees, limited online options, and forget about competitive interest rates. That's where challenger banks come in, new, tech-focused players shaking things up in the financial world. Today, we're diving deep into EQ Bank, a Canadian challenger making waves with its high-interest savings accounts and mobile-first approach. But with established giants still dominating the market, a crucial question remains: how big is EQ Bank, really? From humble beginnings to green Goliath? EQ Bank wasn't always the sleek, digital bank we know today. It started in 1991 as Equitable Bank, a brick-and-mortar institution focused on mortgages and personal loans. Fast forward to 2016, and Equitable Bank undergoes a massive transformation, shedding its physical branches and embracing the digital age as EQ Bank. This shift wasn't just about aesthetics. It was a strategic move to target a new generation of financially savvy customers who prioritize convenience and competitive rates. But how successful has this strategy been? EQ Bank by the numbers. Let's get down to brass tacks. Here's a look at some key metrics that paint a picture of EQ Bank's size and reach. Customer base: EQ Bank boasts over 2 million Canadians using their services. While that might seem like a drop in the bucket compared to traditional banks with tens of millions of customers, it's an impressive number for a challenger bank that's only been around for a few years. Assets under management, AUM. This number represents the total amount of money customers have deposited with the bank. As of today, EQ Bank boasts over $40 billion in AUM. That's a significant chunk of change entrusted to a relatively young institution. Market share. When it comes to market share in the Canadian savings account market, EQ Bank punches above its weight. They hold a healthy share in the high-interest savings account segment, a testament to their competitive rates. Beyond the numbers, brand recognition and impact. Numbers are important, but they don't tell the whole story. EQ Bank has carved a niche for itself by focusing on innovation and customer experience. Their user-friendly mobile app and focus on transparency have resonated with a tech-savvy generation. Here are some ways EQ Bank has established itself beyond just numbers. Award recognition. Winning awards like Best Online Savings Account in Canada from reputable financial institutions shows industry recognition of EQ Bank's value proposition. Social proof and community. Positive customer reviews and a growing online presence build trust and attract new users. The challenger bank landscape, a David versus Goliath battle. EQ Bank's success story is a testament to the growing power of challenger banks. But let's not forget the established giants. Traditional banks still hold the majority of the market share, and they're not sitting idly by. Many are investing heavily in digital platforms and offering competitive rates to retain customers. So, is it a David versus Goliath battle? Not necessarily. The rise of challenger banks creates a more dynamic financial landscape, pushing traditional banks to innovate and offer better deals to customers. Ultimately, it's a win for consumers who benefit from more choices and competitive rates. EQ Bank, a big player in the making? EQ Bank might not be the biggest bank in Canada yet, but it's undoubtedly a significant player in the challenger bank space. Their focus on innovation, customer experience, and competitive rates has positioned them well for continued growth. With the financial services industry constantly evolving, it will be interesting to see how EQ Bank navigates the future. Will they become a true Goliath, or will they find a comfortable niche as a major challenger? Only time will tell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.